Imagine getting hot, fresh butter chicken like this on the weekend, but one that actually feels good for your body. No cream in the gravy and no refined flour in the naan. You still get that rich restaurant style taste, just lighter. And this whole meal gives you around 30 grams of protein. And the best part, store-bought naan gets rubbery in hours. This one stays soft even the next day. Hi friends, I am Tiash and welcome back to a new video. And today your health coach is making butter chicken and naan. Let's get started. This is the final result, one of the most loved Indian restaurant dishes across the world. And today I'm sharing how to make a healthier version with simple ingredients without changing the taste. We will start by marinating the chicken. I have already done the first step with half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt and the juice of half a lime. Now I am adding half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, pinch of salt and about 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. I am using Everest's chicken masala, but if you don't have it, you can use cumin, coriander and garam masala powder. Mix everything well so the chicken is nicely coated. This part really makes a difference. If you have time, let it marinate overnight, but even 10 to 15 minutes works. Now heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. I am using about 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs, perfect for 3 to 4 people. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. Cook it on one side for about 4 to 5 minutes without moving it, so you get a nice char. That slight char. This iron skillet really helps get that nice char without burning. And the marinade keeps the chicken soft and juicy inside. When fully cooked, for me it took about 15 minutes. Then remove it and set it aside. Now in the same pan, yes, this is 1 pot butter chicken, add 1 tablespoon oil. Then add 1 medium onion finely chopped. And this part needs a little patience. Cook it until it turns light golden brown. This step is really crucial because it builds the flavor of the gravy. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Next add 4 medium tomatoes, finely chopped. You know what? I can't make butter chicken without thinking of Somu and Shreyansh, my son's childhood friend. They loved butter chicken. Now it's time for the beautiful spices. Add half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for the color and 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. Now add salt to taste. And just a little beetroot for the color. In restaurants, butter chicken often gets its bright red color from added food coloring. But here I am using a little steamed beetroot. It gives the same rich color, a slight natural sweetness, and you won't taste it in the gravy. We are building the same richness differently. For that, we are using 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds and about 1/4 cup cashews. I am just using a small handful of broken ones and 3 to 4 green cardamom pods as well. We are not soaking or grinding this beforehand because we will blend everything later into a smooth sauce, just like the texture you get in restaurant style butter chicken. Let this cool down slightly, then transfer everything to a blender. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt and a handful of ice cubes. This step really helps keep the rich color. And now blend it until you get a silky smooth butter chicken sauce. Look at that! That deep, rich color. Just like restaurant style butter chicken, isn't it? And it smells incredible. We are not adding any extra butter or oil here. Add the cooked chicken back into the gravy and let it simmer for a few minutes so every piece gets fully coated and soaks up all that flavor. Now in a small pan, lightly warm some kasuri methi. Crush it between your hands and add it to the gravy. This brings everything together. And our butter chicken is ready to serve. What do you think? This is the kind of butter chicken I can make on repeat. And everyone at home loves it. You don't have to give up what you love. You just learn how to make it better. I'd really encourage you to give this a try. And instead of cream, I'm finishing it with a yogurt swirl for that same creamy finish, just lighter. And now it's creamy without cream. And since it is butter chicken, I like to add just a little butter on top. Because at home, food should also feel joyful. Now let's make the naan to go with this. For this, I am using 2 cups cottage cheese. You can also use paneer, especially homemade. No refined flour or maida, no yeast. 1 cup sattu flour. We can add a little more if needed. Mix it well. Then add the egg and mix again. Since cottage cheese is already slightly salty, we don't need extra salt. I like to add little garlic powder. It's optional, but it gives that garlic naan flavor. Now blend it into a smooth, lump-free batter. I am using my hand blender for this. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and mix one last time. It should look like this, smooth, silky and lumps-free. Pour it onto a greased non-stick pan and spread it gently. Add sesame seeds and cilantro on the top and press it gently. When the sides look firm and top starts to puff off, flip it. And you can already see how soft it is. And just like that, your high protein, gluten-free, soft naan is ready. And next time when you feel like ordering butter chicken and naan, maybe give this a try at home first. This butter chicken feels light and the naan stays soft even the next day. Restaurant style food but still balanced. Honestly, if you didn't tell me that this is a lighter version, I wouldn't even notice. Yes, that's how close it is. And that's the goal. Healthy recipe, but you won't miss your favorite food. And friend, if you're new here, I share recipes like this every Sunday. So please like, share and subscribe. So bye for now. I will see you next Sunday. Till then, stay healthy, happy and think positive. And also, you can watch this recipe next. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no